Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do just a quick little project share and I guess a mini tutorial on these flowers. I'm starting my little Christmas flowers. So I figure I'd come here and show you how I made them. It's super easy. And you could put as many layers as you want to make them, I guess, fuller. And some I'd added sparkles, some I didn't. And some I mixed the colors with the paper. So, you could do whatever. This one I added, I think, maybe too much glitter. I think the blue ones and the white ones and the pink ones are probably my favorites. And this one I used a different type of glitter. This one I used chunky glitter. These I used this. The Stickles and Crystal. And then these little swirly things, it's a Weird Memory Keeper sponge, and it's this one here. So I just punch a few, and that's what it looks like. And then just add it to the back, just to give it that little, I guess, a little extra touch to it. Let's see. And some I just embossed it, but I didn't do anything to it. Okay, so let's just slide this for now. And what I used was the Tim Holtz Poinsettia die, Tater Poinsettia. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, but let me see if it shows the number. It's not focusing. But yeah, it's not showing. But the number is 658261. And then I use the embossing folder. And that's what it looks like. I already have them. And I already cut them just to save on time. And what I like about these dies is that I used 2 pieces of paper. Sorry. I used 2 pieces of paper and it cuts it. And then I just roll it and embossed it. So that's what it looks like. So you can do 2. I've only done 2 at a time. I don't know if maybe doing 3 if the paper... I'm sure it will cut it, but I don't know if it will emboss 3 at a time. I've always just done 2. Then I use this little spongy, which is all beat up. And these tools. I don't remember where I got this one. This is like really cheapy. And this is from Heartfelt. This was like this kit that I bought when I was making flowers. All you need is this, just something round. And I probably got this from the dollar store. I don't know. But we're going to use this one. I for some reason like the middle ones more. So hopefully you guys can see. I'm just going to make one flower. So I don't know if you can tell, but one part you could tell is kind of like the back or the front. I guess it really doesn't make a difference. But you take it. And you start rolling the edges. Roll the edges. And you see how it starts to kind of lift? Just roll. Roll. So basically you're just rolling all the edges. Okay. So it looks like that. Once it looks like that, you flip it over and you do in the middle. So you take the middle and then you start kind of like rolling that. Just basically it's all rolling. And you see, you put that one on the side. Then you take your medium one. Let's put this right here. Same thing. Roll the edges. I hope you guys are seeing. You guys can see because I think I might be a little too far. So you roll. Just roll your edges. You don't have to be even too, you could be a little rough, Roll the edges. And then flip it over and do the middle. Usually I just like putting it right here in the middle and start rolling it. And because this, it goes in the sponge, it starts lifting the flour. So you put that one on the side. Then you take the little one, same thing. Roll the edge. Roll, you can even roll like down, like edge and then roll it down. Roll and then down. So you as long as you roll it, every flower is gonna look different anyway. You flip it over the middle. Okay. Then we're gonna glue everything together. And what I do is glue, hold on, glue the inside. Then you take your middle one and then just, you know, play with it so you kind of like, so it's not like right on top of each other. Like you move it around, like hiding the little gaps. You got that. And then more glue in the middle. Let me put that one there. And this also came with this little piece that cut out, but that goes in the middle. I never use that. I only use the 3 petals. And this is just the 3 petals itself. You can make it thicker, like more, like this one I added like a whole bunch. Okay, so, and here you can start playing with your petals. If you think they're a little too flat, start twisting up while your finger is in the middle pushing down, you know? So it looks like that. Let me get, oops, add a little bit of glue to that. Then you add your bling. And once you add your bling, then you can add your glitter or your stickles. Okay. So you see, you can keep it this way, or I like doing the back piece. If this thing comes out, I've used so much. I like doing like the back petals, like the big one. And you can do the edge or the whole flower itself, wherever you want that glitter. See? And that is really it. It's all about curling those edges and then pushing this down so it kind of goes up. And then you take your swirly or whatever you want to do and add to it. And you can add more petals to make it look more bigger. Because that's what it did. You can mix and match. Like this one has a lot. And that is it. So I hope you guys like it. Bye.